Let's go to Sanli's kitchen. How to make Sanli's Parupu Vadai or Sanli's split pea fritters. Ready to grind. Adding 1 tablespoon of fennel seed. Adding 1 dry red chili to get the crunchiness and colorful. 1 tablespoon of garlic. One tablespoon of ginger chopped. Ready to grind. Ready to grind. Make sure everything is grinded properly and smooth. Ready to take the grinded split pea to the bowl, transfer it. Adding a little of split pea to get the crunchiness. Adding the curry leaf. Cilantro. Green chili. Onion. A little bit of asafoetida, cayenne, and salt to taste. Mixing all the ingredients with a split pea grinder. Make it a small bowl, press it a little, tap it in the palm, put it in the oil. You can eat it anytime, chai, coffee, snacks. Look like crunchy, yummy vadai. Ready to take the vadai out. For the recipe, go to Sanli's kitchen on YouTube. How to make Sanli's Vadai, split pea Vadai. This is an Indian snack. I created my own ingredients in here, made it. Try it home, okay? Yummy. It's good for snacks, tea time, coffee time, anytime. I'm gonna try one. One more bite. Smells so good. Bang bang.